Hello, welcome back. This is the continuation of the previous videos. As you can see in the previous videos, we created this simple JavaScript application. We connected with MySQL database. We added generate employee ID card option, preview employee ID card option. Today, let's add how we can print employee ID card directly from the JavaScript application. But before starting the actual work, let's see the complete playlist. As you can see, we have the complete playlist of the Jasper reports. So you can watch these videos one by one from the start until end. Okay, we explained the basic things like what is Jasper reports, what is the need of Jasper reports, how we can use Jasper reports, how we can install Jasper Soft Studio, how we can create the first report using Jasper Soft Studio, how we can connect Jasper Soft Studio with MySQL database. Okay, we explained the basic concepts as well as the advanced concepts. Okay, so let's get started. Today we want to add how we can print Jasper reports directly from JavaScript application. In the first step, let's add a button. Simple drag and drop here. We want to change this text, for example, print employee ID card. Okay. Right click on that. Go to properties, add font size 14, and then change name of that. For example, btn print employee ID card. You can add any name, there is no problem. So this was the first step. In the second step, we want to use the same method from here. Just copy that and paste it here. Okay. And here in the first step, we want to change name of that. For example, print employee ID card. Okay. This accepts only one parameter because based on the employee ID, we want to generate the card. Okay. And here we establish the database connection because actually we established the database connection inside the JDBC connection class. Okay. Thereafter, we defined parameters, that is good. Then we specified the report path. As you can see, we have this Jasper reports inside the reports folder. And we want to remove this line of the code. There is no need for that. And we want to remove these two lines also. And here, just want to use Jasper print manager class. Then we have print report method. Okay, we won't use that because here we have already this print object, and here that accepts boolean value. If you want to pass, for example, true, first it will open the print dialog. After that, you can print the report. And if you want to pass, for example, false value, it print the reports directly. Okay, let's pass, for example, false value. So after that, what we want to do, we want to generate event, and for that we want to use the same code, copy that and paste it here. Okay, instead of this method, we want to call this new method, which is print employee ID card. Copy that and paste it here. So let's save the changes. Then we want to run the application to see the result. So let's click on that. Remember that for now with my computer, printer is not connected. Okay, when the printer is connected, the employee ID card will be printed directly from this button. But for now, the printer is not connected because the card is not printed. Okay, so as you can see here, we passed false value. Let's pass, for example, true value. Okay. Sorry. Let's run the application once again. Let's print that. As you can see, now we have a simple dialog. From that dialog, you can print this employee ID card. Okay. But for now, with my computer, printer is not connected. Let's skip that. So today we added how we can print this employee ID card from your application directly. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can write them in the comment. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos with friends. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.